Everyone keeps asking the same question. Is XRP trying to replace Swift? Or is Swift trying to keep up with the blockchain? The answer is actually more interesting and way more important than people realize. Let's break it down. No hype, no price talk, just how global money actually moves. My name is Mitchell, welcome to the channel, and let's get into it. What Swift really is. First, let's clear up a huge misconception. Swift does not move money. It moves messages, instructions between banks. When a bank sends money internationally using Swift, the money doesn't go straight from A to B. It hops through correspondent banks sitting in pre-funded accounts. That's why payments take days, fees stack up, and nobody knows exactly where the money is mid-transfer. So what does Ripple and XRP actually do? Ripple took a different approach. Instead of just messaging, they built a payment rail using XRP as a bridge asset. Money can move like this: fiat, XRP, fiat. No pre-funded accounts, no waiting days. Settlement happens in seconds. This is why XRP keeps getting compared to Swift, but technically they're solving different parts of the problem. So is XRP trying to replace Swift? Here's the key point most people miss. XRP isn't trying to replace Swift directly. Ripple is competing with the correspondent banking system behind Swift, not the messaging layer itself. In many cases, banks can actually use both. Swift sends the message, XRP settles the value. Here's what Swift is doing to keep up. Swift isn't blind to this. They've rolled out things like Swift GPI to improve speed and tracking. They're also experimenting with private blockchains and tokenized assets. But here's the catch. Swift avoids public crypto. No XRP, no open ledgers. They want control first, innovation second. Why banks quietly test XRP? Banks don't care about crypto narratives. They care about cost, speed, and liquidity. XRP removes the need to lock up capital in foreign accounts. That's huge, especially in emerging markets. That's why Ripple adoption often happens quietly, corridor by corridor, not in flashy announcements. Here's the real future. No hype. This isn't a winner-takes-all situation. Swift will likely remain the global messaging standard. XRP and blockchain rails will modernize settlement. The future probably looks like coexistence, not replacement. And that's actually a stronger case for long-term adoption, not a weaker one. So do you think XRP is trying to replace Swift? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like so more people can see it. And subscribe if you want clear, no hype breakdown of XRP and global finance. But as always, thanks for giving me some of your time, and maybe I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.